Hey guys, welcome to this unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox my new toy. Let me show you. Pretty nice, right? So it's a doner, not doner kebab. I look old. That's why I have this cool cap. Ed Hardy. I have no idea how this works. Okay, so just don't be like, oh, you didn't say what it does, you didn't show us what it does. No, I didn't, because I have no idea how this works. Okay, I'm just going to unpack this. Okay, can we agree on that? So I'm just gonna unbox. I wanted to, okay, the reason why I have this, I don't want to waste your time, but I'm just gonna tell you, like, the reason why I have this and I bought this is because I want to create music and sounds for my YouTube channel and for my videos and for my podcast and whatever. So I want to make some beats. Da-da-da-da. Okay. What's this? Join donor Vine program now. Vine is dead, or isn't it the same app? We have some manual, I guess. Pitch modulation. Okay, maybe I can kind of, oh my god. These are kind of like functions or something, I guess. Ooh. I wanted this for so long. I was just thinking, like, why should I buy it if I don't know how to use it? But actually I'm gonna learn, for God's sake. I'm not 60. I'm only half of 60. Ooh. Yabba-dabba-doo. Really nice. Look at that. Look at this. This is gonna be a nice thumbnail. It's really nice. It's really light. Oh, it's really fragile, I guess. Here's inputs. Okay. So, of course, we should have USB to connect this into our computers and start making beats. So I'm just gonna say it feels quite nice, like a usual keyboard, I would say. Feel like Calvin Harris. Okay, this is going up quite hard, so it's not just like, you know, easily going up and down. This is actually going up a little bit. You have to push, so that's good. I have no idea what it does. Don't ask me, like, in the comments, like, oh, what it does. When I learn it, I will make another video. Guess this record, stop. I saw in the video that with this you're going to do like do like a nice weird sounds, and here's the beats, of course. Oh, that's hard. Oh, I thought you have to press that. You actually can't, you can only just touch that, because you can press this, but you can only touch that. Don't laugh at me, I never had this in my hand. Oh my god, I can't wait. to plug this in my laptop. Okay, If this works, this video will continue, so I'm gonna plug it in. If not, then that's it, and thank you for watching this video. I will definitely make another one on how I'm using this, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. You can check my other reviews on some of the equipment that I use on my channel. Comment below for any questions, although I don't know how to answer them yet, but I'm gonna learn very soon how to use this. And like, share, whatever. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.